Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share my full collections of the Blender tutorial. First, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions, click into the first link, Blender Tutorial Collections, Freedom Arts 3D. Once you click into that, it is going to redirect you to my website. And if you're lost inside the website, you can just go to the site widget here, click My Tutorial for Blender. Then it is going to sort everything for you, the category tutorials of the software Blender. Then, for all of these tutorials, it included the 3D modeling, it included the rendering, rigging, avatar making, and the animation pipeline, game developing pipeline, terrain creating, etc. All of these are my own tutorial that I created previously. And now I sorted everything systematically, and it is easier for you to find, easier for you to learn. And you can just look at the subcategories here. Let's say the nature terrain creator. So I right click and open with a new tab. Then it is going to lead you to the site. If you try to play this video, then
Hey guys,
you can just
my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to
you can just maximize it, and then you can just watch it, and if you double click here, it is going to minimize it again. And for each of the video, for any of the resources that you need, you can find all of the links at here. And of course you can just comment and leave a comment at the bottom. So it is really a massive Blender tutorial collections, and you can see it is totally 23 pages, and each of the pages there are 9 tutorials here, and you can just search and learn whatever pipeline tutorials that you needed for your Blender 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. It is included some of the animation tutorial like the path animations, like the AI mockup for Blender. For example, the Mizamo retarget the motions from the Mizamo to Blender 3D avatar. Everything are really completed for beginners, and each of the tutorials are just as short as like 15 minutes. You can learn in details, and this is really an awesome tutorial collections. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of my Blender tutorial full collections for 3 years and Freedom Arts 3D. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you